Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to make this African trading style. I don't know the name they call it in your area. Some call it koso. I don't know. I think that's the most popular name. Okay, so what you'll be needing is your Brazilian wool. That's the You can also do this with the normal rubber thread. I'll be using the Brazilian wool for this. So first of all, you have to cut out the section of the hair you want to weave, or you want to thread rather. So what I like doing, I like weaving it a little or braiding it a little, so as to secure the end, so as to make the roots so as to make the roots firm, not the end, sorry, so as to make the roots firm. So some persons will want to braid it to the tip before they start threading. Some will want to just thread it like that without first of all braiding it. So it all depends on you and what works best for you. So I'll go ahead with 2 strands of Brazilian wool. Yeah, you can decide to use 3, but I prefer working with 2 strands. So what I'm just doing is just to make sure that the root is a bit folded a little, like bent over a little. So I'll take the Brazilian wool, I'll pass it through the root again, then I'll drag it a little. I don't know if you understand what I just explained though. So I'm redoing it again. So you see, I discovered that was a bit too fast, so I'm doing it again. You thread it like 1 or 2 lines, then you take the thread under, you drag it, take the thread under, you drag it and plait it like this, take it under, and then you fold over so as to create a little knot or a little bend, so that the hair will curve on its own. You don't have to start dragging it to bend when you are done. Like, you don't have to start dragging it to stay in that position. You see that when we are done now, it will just retain that position without you having to bend and bend, or going through the stress, or whether it will raise up again. No, with this method it won't raise up or start dangling everywhere. No, it will stay firm like that. So just continue threading till you get your desired length. You see, threading till you get your desired length. Then when the wool is finished, like when you've exhausted the one you are with, you can pick another one. It's not compulsory that is one wool you use to thread it from beginning to the end. No, you can cut shorter length, or but I prefer longer length though, so you don't have to do plenty addition before you get to the end of the hair. So I'm just going to add another now, 2 strands too. So you place it over the former one, and then you continue braiding, and you continue threading. Try to add it in a way that it won't show, like it won't be obvious that there was an addition. And as you are threading, also try to make sure that the threading is tight, so that it won't loosen quick or fast or easily. Your hair will not start puffing out of the thread within 2-3 days. So you try to make sure that the threading is tight. When you get to the end of that, you continue adding till you get to your desired length. So now that I've gotten to the end, what I'll do next is to cut off those excess strands. You cut them off, but you don't cut off everything. You leave like 1 or 2 strands, so you use to tie the end, to secure the end when you are done. So yeah, so you measure the length you want it to get to before you do the folding over. So you hold it there, you bend it over and start turning it on it, I don't know, and start rolling it up, folding it up like you are doing a bantu knot. Yeah, you start taking it upward, not downward. So when you get to the end, you tie it. Yeah, you tie it very well. You tie like 2 to 3 times to make sure that it's firm and it's not going to go off anytime soon. So alternatively, you can decide to burn it with fire. Yes, either with your lighter, your matches, or your candle. So you can decide to burn it, or you can decide to leave it like that because it's firm enough, it's tight enough, and that's it. You're done. So simple and so beautiful. Hope you try this out. Thanks for watching.